Welcome to Certified Jewelry. Up for auction today is a signature Charles Krypell Precious Pastels Collection designer necklace, elegantly set in solid platinum and 18-karat yellow gold. This extraordinary estate treasure comes to us from a consignor who's asked for our assistance in quickly selling several of her most prized fine jewelry treasures. This high-end, stunning designer necklace boasts a gorgeous Asscher cut certified VVS clarity near colorless center diamond and is generously accented with gorgeous untreated canary yellow and near colorless white accent diamonds. Its unique and elegant design allows these diamonds to be seen sparkling from all angles. This highly collectible, world-class Charles Krypell designer necklace has been tested and certified by our certified jewelry gemologist, and he's determined this to be a genuine 0.40 carat VVS clarity earth mined center diamond surrounded by 57 near colorless and 16 untreated fancy yellow round brilliant accent diamonds. These high-end near flawless diamonds are graded as eye clean VVS1 to VVS2 in clarity with fancy yellow as well as near colorless G color, displaying exceptional flash, sparkle, and fire, as you can clearly see here in the video. The setting itself is crafted in solid 950 platinum as well as 18-karat yellow gold, and is stamped with both the PT 950 and 750 hallmarks. The total item weighs a heavy, strong, and sturdy 8.30 grams and is 8 3/4 inches of wearable length. Included with this item is a certified jewelry certification that documents the authenticity, quality, and characteristics of the necklace, with an estimated insurance replacement value of $14,766. This highly collectible estate necklace came to us from a high-end jewelry collection. Our consignor has asked for our assistance in selling this necklace immediately. Given the rarity and overall quality of this masterpiece Charles Krypell designer necklace, today's estimated retail value is between $14,000 and $15,000. At the close of this auction, our consignor is hopeful to recover at least $11,700. So please take this into consideration when making your bid. At the request of our consignor, this one-of-a-kind stunning necklace is being offered with a $1 starting bid and absolutely no reserve price due to the urgency and time frame our consignor needs to sell this prized estate treasure. This is a unique opportunity to own a top-quality estate necklace far below retail prices. You'll not only benefit from our consignor's need to liquidate this item quickly, but will be assisting her in meeting her financial obligations. Certified Jewelry is your preeminent source for top-quality estate fine jewelry liquidations. If you have a genuine estate jewelry collection valued at $250,000 or more and need assistance in marketing your prized family treasures, contact us for a free and discreet evaluation. Good luck and happy bidding.